In 1983, Ernie and Edna Yoder set out to build a company whose values reflected their Amish heritage: hard work, integrity, and honesty. And so, right within their Amish community, they started Woodland Park. And since then, Woodland Park has been leading the industry in both quality and innovation. From frame to ridge vent, our park model RVs are packed with exclusive features not found anywhere else in the industry. At Woodland Park, quality is a foundational value that starts with our 10-inch steel I-beam frame with detachable hitch. And we use only superior No. 2 grade lumber for framing. Our floor systems feature double 2x6 perimeter floor joists, insulated fiberglass heat ducting, transverse 2x6 floor joists, 16 inches on center, and ample R21 insulation throughout. Our heavy-duty 3/4-inch plywood tongue-and-groove floor decking is glued and screwed in place and topped with high-quality carpet and durable PVC individual tile flooring, the very same flooring used in new homes today. In-floor perimeter heat registers are also standard. We are so confident in the quality of build that every single park model RV comes standard with a 3-year structural warranty. Unlike others in the industry, we focus only on park models, not traditional RVs or mobile homes, and are passionately committed to doing this one thing well. Our walls are over-engineered with strength in mind and feature 2x4 sidewall joists, 16 inches on center in our 12-foot wide American and Canadian models, and 2x6 sidewall joists, 16 inches on center in our 14-foot wide Canadian models. Woodland Park's obsession with excellence continues with our 40 PSF certified roof truss rafters, and our roof systems are assembled entirely with meticulous attention to detail before being installed. Once installed, every roof is insulated with R21 insulation and an optional layer of radiant foil. Built-in eave baffles and ridge vents ensure that the roof system is also fully ventilated. Once decking is installed, every roof is covered entirely with WinterGuard underlayment, and whether you choose shingles or metal roofing, you are covered by a full lifetime warranty. Comfort and efficiency are a big deal at Woodland Park. Our park model sidewalls are insulated with R13 insulation bats, followed by a top-to-bottom layer of optional radiant foil, foam core, and house wrap. Radiant foil is a premier option in a crucial point in the manufacturing process and works to maximize the efficiency of your insulation to create an even more efficient Woodland Park model. Our solid vinyl windows and patio doors are also sealed with expandable foam insulation and waterproof flashing tape. With a range of custom-built cabinet and countertop options, we can create a look and feel that both meets your budget and your style. Each cabinet is installed with precision and care. Our fit and finish process is second to none. But with a good foundation, a perfect fit is really icing on the cake. And with soft close cabinet doors and drawers, as well as hidden hinges, you get a quality that you can see and feel. Your options for durability and comfort really shine with our furnishings. And you can choose with confidence, knowing that our residential furniture line carries a 10-year warranty. When it comes to vinyl or LP smart siding, your color options for designing a park model RV that expresses your unique style are extensive. But the quality of your camping experience really comes from the peace of mind you get from knowing that your builder stands behind their work. And that's why we offer a lifetime warranty on our vinyl siding. For almost 40 years, Woodland Park's award-winning designs have been setting the standard for quality and innovation in our industry, and we're proud of that. Quality is not just a corporate value for us, it's a family value. To find a dealer near you and start your journey with Woodland Park, visit woodland-park.com today.